What's up, KK gang? I'm back again with another video. This is the third video this day, today, and I'm gonna be doing a DIY cooking tutorial with me. Now, what you really gonna need for this is like a blender. You know, I'm using like the Magic Bullet. So you're gonna need, you know, like what you make cocoa hot chocolate with. You're gonna need some of that. Don't mind, because I was just painting, so don't mind if I paint on my fingers. But then, now right now I'm just getting stuff out. You can use the ice cream of your choice, but for this exact one, if you want to make the exact one I'm doing, this is, you can use vanilla or French vanilla. I only have French vanilla, even though I prefer vanilla, which it don't really taste any different, but, you know, milk. You know, a cup to pour it in, milk. I'm actually gonna put the milk in it, but a cup when you get done to pour it into some milk. And I have like 2 or 3 packs of these, so I'm gonna use 4 of these. I'm gonna eat 3 and put 1 on top, so you know, make it look cute. So I'm still gonna wash my hands right now, cause you gotta be safe, okay? And don't mind that bowl, it's like 2 washing dishes. I don't want my phone to fall, so I'm just gonna put that down. Okay, so I don't know if, you know what, I'm tired. Let me go get some hand sanitizer and I get back with y'all. So the water in my neighborhood is cut off. They did this again. They didn't want to do a video. So do not mind the backgrounds because the TV on, and I'm not gonna turn it off because I have to do the video. So next I'm gonna got the bullets and just some hand sanitizer, since they want to cut off the water, neighborhood water, for what? Like, this days I want to do a cooking video. I might do another cooking video tomorrow, but see my dad home tomorrow, so I don't know, because Father's Day is Father's Day weekend. So right now, got the bullet, the Magic Bullet. Another video is not sponsored. Magic Bullet. So to be honest, I have never heard anybody do anything like this or do this particular. So if y'all steal my stuff, or if it blows up, come back to me, hit mine. I actually gotta change my intro because my Snapchat, I changed it. But by the way, my Snapchat is the original Kennedy with the, never mind. I'm gonna put it in the description. So right now, I'm gonna get a spoon. Now personally, I'm not getting a lot. One, because I don't even know how this tastes, but so somebody want to call me. I don't even know who it was, but I think I'm gonna do this much. But like, you can really do however much you want to, but like, there's a little only scoop left, so I'm gonna do that too. But other than that, you know, I'm a little nervous, no cap, because I ain't never done this, but I am doing the taste test, so y'all will be seeing my next reaction with this. But I'm not even an ice cream fan. Like, now my daddy on the other hand, he love ice cream. Me, I don't even like sweets like that. I love cookies and donuts. Those are my tops. So now I use the rest of the ice cream. So I got the milk. Now I'm not knowing how much milk you're gonna put, cause like I said, this is me freestyling. So I'm freestyling this, so that's how much milk I put. It looks like a lot, but it's not. I put that much milk because like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. Milk, just a teaspoon more, because I want it to be like a smoothie. I want it to be like a smoothie. Okay, and the name of this is gonna be cocoa butter. Never heard of a smoothie named cocoa butter. So it's gonna be cocoa butter. Okay, let me stop playing. But it's gonna be cocoa butter, okay? So I don't know if I wanna put, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cocoa butter in, the cocoa powder in, cause so I don't know how much was putting this in either. So this is my recipe, y'all. So you can put in however much ice cream you want, okay? A little milk. I think I'm just gonna measure it out with the spoon, cause I don't know how much I want to put. This is enough. I'm thinking. So I feel like I don't want it to be dry, so I'm gonna put some more milk. So right now I'm just gonna mix what it is. This is what it looks like. Where is that? Right here. This is what it looks like. You know, this is what it looks like now. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it, and I'm gonna stop recording because like it's gonna be out. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it, and like I'm gonna show y'all like the texture. Do I want to add some more milk? You know, cocoa butter, cocoa powder, or whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this now. I'll be back. So I just got through, and it's like, I don't know if you can hear it. It's like a little thick. So let me open it to see. It looks, you know what? This smells like them Frosties from Wendy's. So I'm gonna put a little bit more milk in here because this is like stiff. Like, oh no, don't fall out. It's a little stiff. So I'm gonna add a little bit more milk into it. You guys should have yours however you want to. I'm adding a little bit more to mine because like I don't need it that thick, boo. Like, so I'm gonna make sure this is such. Nope. So put this back in here. Okay, so got to turn the camera off, but it's like the way it is. It sounds more like together because like before, now this looks like a smoothie. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this too, cause I mean I ain't even tasted it. I'm just adding stuff. Yo, spill. Okay, so I think this is gonna be it, but like I'm confused if so. I can't show it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's like a chocolate milk kind of color. If I looking, forgot the water cut off. So wait till they cut the water back on. So right now I'm gonna taste it. I'm a little nervous though, cause okay. This is good. Hold up, y'all. This is good. Don't get choked. So let me tell you what this tastes like. This tastes like that the Frosty, the chocolate Frosty from Wendy's. This is what it tastes like. It might be it, I don't know, but it tastes real good. So let me clean up my mess real quick, y'all. Now I'm ready, y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna pour it up, and I just got through putting up my stuff. Okay, pour it up.
want you back in the back room.
Yeah.
Mm.
So now the heat's gone. Open it. So now I'm gonna put one more deer sticky. And I should have known, but they've been in the pack, so drop one down. I don't know. Like look, like it's thick. But never mind, cause what it was, the pantry is very hot. So I'm gonna shop now. I was just gonna eat them, but I'll eat them like with it being in the smoothie because these are way too sticky to stay on paper towel, and I ain't trying to afford it. Not eating paper. Now I really want to ask this question. Have you ever had that one friend in elementary school, and not even a friend, like somebody who you knew of, or like who's in your class, who ate paper? And I have multiple friends and people I know of who eat paper. I don't know if they do it to this day, but that used to be so weird. Like in the middle of the class, like you look over, cause you know ain't nobody actually doing the work. You look over, they'll put shove paper in the mouth, and like they ain't just gonna be like eating paper, you know. But they gonna be doing it on a low. Like this. What's wrong with you, bro? Ooh, hold up. Do my outro right here because I'm not finna turn my light on in my room. So that is all. So that's all I have for you guys. Okay. That's all I have for you guys today. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it. And do not forget to hit the notification bell. So that is all I have for you guys today. And I will probably see you tomorrow. Maybe not. I don't know. But bye, KK Gang. Why not you want to do this twice? Say that? Bye, KK Gang. Peace.